In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a drive partition on Windows 11. Let's start with step 1, which is opening Disk Management. Disk Management is the built-in Windows tool for managing your disks, volumes, and drive letters. And it's where we'll do all of our work today. To open it, move your mouse down to the Windows taskbar and right-click the Start button. This will bring up a menu called the Quick Link menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Disk Management and click on it. After a moment, the Disk Management window will open on your screen. Now we move on to step 2, which is selecting the partition that you want to remove. Once Disk Management is open, take a look at the lower pane of the window. This lower pane shows all of the disks connected to your computer and the partitions that live on each of them. Find the disk that contains the partition you want to delete. Once you've located it, click the partition block one time to highlight it. Before going any further, take a careful look at the partition you've highlighted. You need to make absolutely sure it is not your C drive. It is not the EFI system partition. It is not the recovery partition. And it is not any partition that holds files you still want to keep. This is important because deleting a partition permanently removes all of the data stored on it, and that data cannot be brought back afterwards. Once you're certain you've selected the correct partition, we can move on to step 3, which is actually deleting it. With the partition still highlighted in the lower pane, right-click on that same partition block. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click the option that says Delete Volume. Choosing Delete Volume tells Windows to remove the partition and turn the space it was using back into unallocated disk space. At this point, Windows will show you a warning message letting you know that deleting the volume will erase all of the data on it. Read through the warning carefully to make sure you understand what's about to happen. Then click Yes to confirm your choice. And that is the full process. The partition will now disappear from disk management, and the same area of the drive will now be shown as unallocated space, which simply means unused disk space that is not currently assigned to any partition. The drive letter that used to belong to the deleted partition will also no longer be available inside Windows.